Hi guys, so in this video we're going to look at how to get gigs without booking them yourself. Make sure you watch to the end so you can get 3 key ways that you can get this task off your hand. And if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be informed when more helpful videos like this come out. So the question comes up, why would you want to get other people to book your gigs? Why would you not just go out and book them yourself? Well, one of the main reasons is time. Being a busy musician, it's not always easy to find the time to book your own gigs. So if you can get someone on board to come and help you out, then that is really ideal. Another reason you may not want to book your own gigs is because you may not simply have the skill set to do so. Getting potential bookings requires a certain skill where you need to be sociable, you need to be able to chase people up, and you need to have good management skills. So if that's not you and you know yourself and you prefer to stick to making music, it might be better to get someone else to book these gigs for you. So now you know why you might want to get someone else to book these gigs. Let's look at 3 options you can choose. First of all, is getting a booking agent. Now, this is ideal for many people because a booking agent, they're someone that's experienced with booking gigs. They may have other acts on their roster and they'll likely do a good job of getting you gigs if you have enough talent and if you build up your name. Now, even though this is the ideal situation, there's a problem with getting booking agents. If you're not making money from your gigs already, then most likely booking agents aren't going to want to work with you. Generally, booking agents only get paid when you get paid. The way it works is they get a percentage of what you earn, so let's say between 5 and 10%, sometimes also 15%, but generally between 5 and 10%. So if you're not getting paid for your gigs, then the booking agent isn't going to make any money. So why would they actually work with you if they're not going to get paid for their job? Also, if you're only going to get paid a small amount, say $50 for your booking, then that's not going to be much for them at all. They're going to make say $5 for a $50 booking, so it's not going to be worth their effort at all. Now, if you're commanding say 4 figures, maybe even low 3 figures for your bookings, then maybe you might get a booking agent. But until then, booking agents aren't going to want to work with you. So if you're getting paid a good amount for your gigs, then this is a real option. If not, then let's move on to the next one. Another option is to get someone on your team to book gigs for you. This is ideal when you've got a team in place already, or you've got some people that are willing to help you in your music career and help push you forward. Alternatively, if you're part of a band, then you can also get a band member to do this. So there may be someone better than you with this kind of task. They may be good at calling people up and keeping records, so you may want to assign them this task. The only issue with this is they may not always know exactly how to do it. So they can either learn through trial and error, which is what most people do, or they may need to be trained by yourself or someone else with this kind of experience. The third option is to set up your website in a way where it will get you bookings on autopilot. If your music is in demand and you have people coming to your website and searching for you, then you want to make it easy for someone to book you. So you want to have a bookings page or at least a contact page, and on that page you want to have your details for if someone wants to book you. A good idea is to put an EPK on there. So EPK stands for Electronic Press Kit, and it's somewhere where you can put most of the answers to the questions that people will be looking for when they search your website. In this case, you may want to put some of the other venues you performed, have links to other performances you've done, and the like. Additionally, on your website, you want to have a call to action. If you're looking for gigs and you want to be booked, then you want to make that clear. So you may want to say to them, click here to email now, or call this number to book me today. You want to make it very clear that you're available for bookings. Now, this is a quick overview of the process, but if you want more music career help, be sure to head over to musicindustryhowto.com/ebook. Here you will get my free introduction to music marketing ebook, an ebook which has been downloaded by over 100,000 musicians. This ebook will show you what music marketing is, why it's so important to your music career, and how it can help you push through and become more than just another average musician. So sign up to get the ebook today, subscribe to the channel to get more helpful videos in future, and I will see you in the next video.